liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying SF-8.
And liftoff of NOAA's GOES-T, our newest weather sentinel in the sky.
And liftoff. The Starliner is headed back to space on the shoulders of Atlas.
Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying USSF-12.
And liftoff of the Atlas V rocket for United Launch Alliance carrying SBIRS GEO-6.
And liftoff of the last West Coast United Launch Alliance Delta IV Heavy rocket carrying NOAA-91.
And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying SES-20 and 21.
And liftoff of the Atlas V carrying JPSS-2 and Lofton.